latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
At a time when the number of coronavirus cases is on the rise, several state governments have imposed voluntary lockdown. The Maharashtra government has implemented a 10-day lockdown in Pune beginning Monday. Pune is in a 10-day lockdown to break the chain of the coronavirus infection. The lockdown will be effective till the 23rd of July. The lockdown is going to be imposed in the jurisdictions of PMC, PCMC, Pune Police Commissionerate, Pimpri Chinchwad Police Commissionerate, Cantonment Boards of Pune, Khadki and Dehu Road, and close to 24 villages with high number of COVID-19 cases. Only essential services will be allowed during this phase of the lockdown. The lockdown in Pune has been divided into two phases. The first phase of the lockdown in Pune will be effective from the 13th of July to the 18th of July. During phase 1 of lockdown in Pune, all pharmacies will remain open. Hospitals across Pune will function as usual. Milk parlours will also remain open during this period. Officials have announced that for the first 5 days, stricter lockdown will be imposed. After 5 days, the situation will be reviewed and sale of some essential items will be allowed. Pune City's Joint Commissioner of Police Ravindra Shiswe said steps will be taken to ensure strict lockdown.
We have held meetings with civic and district administration officials along with the details of lockdown. Discussions were also held on how to enforce the restrictions. While there continues to be deployment in containment zones even during the unlocking phase, the 10-day lockdown will see deployment of over 75% of our total strength on the ground.
The Commissioner added that the lockdown enforcement will be very challenging.
The deployment will focus on movement restriction through checkpoints and enforcement of distancing norms by mobile teams. First couple of days will be challenging for us as people get accustomed to the lockdown. Our force will have to be more cautious now with an alarming rate of prevalence of infection. Personnel are being thoroughly briefed on safety norms and are being provided with necessary safety gear and utilities.
Police officials in Pune are issuing passes to people for emergency transit. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar said stern decisions need to be taken if people do not follow rules.
Sometimes when people don't follow rules, some decisions like this have to be taken. We implement lockdown in Thane as well. If we have to break the chain, then we must ensure that there is no contact among people.
Pune recorded 1,088 fresh cases of COVID-19 in 24 hours. Maharashtra continues to lead the country's coronavirus cases with over 250,000 infections. Maharashtra recorded 7,827 fresh COVID-19 cases. The state's active caseload breached the 1 lakh mark with 1,03,516 patients now under treatment.